so empty and hip-street. On a mission for the green. Green money making machines in the beat. Around the city for 2 years making rap tunes. Ever since I knew this was Street, that was 95.
When they stopped me, fucked me, robbed me, like a Bryan robbed me.
So what, we get drunk. So what,
we're just having fun.
we don't care who sees. Let me hear ya.
So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be.
Who's being young and wild and free out there? Songs on the sound.
Sweet potato pie and I shut my mouth. Go in the wind. Ain't nobody looking back again.
Songs on the sound.
Sweet potato pie and I shut my mouth.
Gone with the wind.
Ain't nobody looking back again.
Cotton on the roadside, cotton in the ditch. We all picked the cotton, but we never got rich. Daddy was a veteran of Southern Democrat. You ought to get a rich man to vote like that, singing songs on the sound.
Sweet potato pie and I shut my mouth.
What? Hold up, Georgia, hold up. Everybody's James Cook, I need you. All right, everybody, y'all say hey to James Cook one time. All right. So here's the deal, girls. Here's the deal. Here in a little bit, here after a while, there's gonna be a whole lot of country girls shaking out there, all right? Trust me, it's gonna happen. And here's the deal, we don't want anybody getting injured. We don't want you pulling your backs. We don't want your leg, a hamstring, a quad, a gluteus maximus, all that stuff. So just so you don't have to do your P90X and all that, all right? Just so you don't have to do that, James has devised a plan to loosen you up. All right, and here it is. Y'all get ready. I like big butts.
You other boys can't deny. When a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist
And a round thing in your face, you with you and take your picture. My homeboy's trying to warn me.
I thought you got me get so horny.
Around the smooth skin. Alright, everybody in unison, are you ready?
The hell, man, my man.
Say,